Hey guys, this is the 16th video of this tutorial series on structured query language. In this tutorial video I will discuss about the join operation, which is very important in SQL. Now the basic or the general syntax for the join operation is select, then the column list. Okay, now for join operation we need two tables. So the column list denotes all those columns from both the tables that we want to see together. So that is denoted here by the column list. Okay, so column list from first table name, okay, join second table name on, and then the condition on which the join operation will be executed. Okay, now one thing you have to keep in mind, in two tables you have to keep one field which will have same values. Okay, so only if you keep same values in a field for both the tables, then only the join operation can be done, otherwise not. That is, in the condition part, one field of the first table and another field of the second table must be kept equal. So the condition will be field from the first table equal to field from the second table. Only then the join operation can be done, otherwise not. Okay, now we will learn about three types of join. The first one is total join, the second one is left outer join, and the third one is right outer join. Now in case of total join, there will be a table that will contain data or records from both the tables together. Okay, in case of left outer join, the left table that is present in the this syntax, that is the table that is present in the left side of the join command, that is the first table, that will be given priority. That is, although there will be some values which will not be present in the right hand side of the join command, that is the second table, then also they will be displayed as null because they are present in the first table. So the first table that is present in the left side of the join command will be given priority. The opposite will be there. Opposite will happen in case of right outer join. The second table will be given priority. That is, if there are some values or fields which have null in the first table, then also they will be displayed because they have values in case of the second table. That will be quite easier for you to understand when you will see the demonstration. In this video I will demonstrate only the total join, that is a natural join. In my next video I will demonstrate the left and right outer joins. Okay, so let's see the total or natural join. Now this was the table that I was working with for my few previous videos, and this is a table that I created only for this and the next video. So this was the employee table and this one is the employee one table. Now if you pay attention, you will see that there are two fields in both the tables which are common. This one age and here also age. They have same values and also they are in the same sequence. Okay, so now we can perform the join operation because it has a field which will have same values for both the tables. So let's start the join operation. For that the query will be select. Now how we will write the column list. Okay, now the column list will be written as table name dot field name. Likewise, employee dot name, then employee dot age, and then employee dot salary. So my first table has been covered. Now the second table. Now as there are same values for age in both the tables, that's why I am taking age only once, that is for the first table. I will not consider the second table's age. Okay, so for the second table I will go directly to city, so employee1 dot city, and then finally employee1 dot tenure. Okay, now next it will be, after that we will write from, then the first table name employee, then join statement, or rather join clause, and then the second table name employee 1, and after that on clause, and then the condition. The condition will be employee dot age equal to employee 1 dot age. Okay, now let's see what our result is. So the two tables, these two tables have been naturally joined. Okay, see, this was the result. So name we have from the first table, age we have from the first table, salary also from the first table, city from the second table, and tenure from the second table. So this is the join, the natural join of both the tables employee and employee 1. So this was all for this video. Stay tuned to my channel for my next video on left and right outer joins. Thank you.